it's time to watch some TV. Oh, that puppy and kitty are cute together. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Madison County National Weather Service Office, the Madison County Emergency Management Agency, and the Madison County Geological Survey. At approximately 6:16 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, a tsunami was detected approximately 3.5 miles away from Brookhaven, moving at a speed of 95 miles an hour. This tsunami has a height of 15.5 meters, and it is expected to arrive in approximately 15 minutes. Also, researchers are stating that an unknown occurrence is going on with weather patterns and that we might be seeing some heavy rainfall. This heavy rainfall could include flooding and possibly worse. Please move to a stable area that's high above the ground. A stable high place that's on a stable structure. Stable structures include, but are not limited to, concrete structures or structures that are made up of reinforced or regular concrete and bricks. Anything that is weak or old may fall apart during this flood and tsunami. They may fall apart and collapse. Do not go anywhere near these weak structures. Evacuation is also an option, but it is not recommended due to the flooding and tsunami that may come and push cars off the road and cause significant damage to anything that gets in the tsunami's way. Also, when you're evacuating, be sure to evacuate by air or sea. Public transportation is also an option. You have approximately 1 hour and 15 minutes before the tsunami occurs, and approximately 24.5 hours before the rain begins. Evacuate now. When you're on a high place on a stable structure, wait for emergency services to arrive. A rescue helicopter will be coming in and rescuing those on top of buildings. Stay on the building. When you're on a structure, make sure to bring all the essential supplies, such as non-perishable food, water, clothing, medical supplies, a flashlight, a battery-powered or hand-crank radio with extra batteries, and make sure any device you're bringing with you is fully charged. Bring whatever you want with you, because once evacuating, there is no turning back. Turning back is not an option when you evacuate. Evacuate or seek a high place on a stable structure now. Repeating, evacuate or seek a high place on a stable structure now. Crap. Well, luckily my house is Yep, there we go. This should be enough. I'm gonna go ahead and open my safe real quick so I don't get robbed. Well, this is the closest thing I could find to high ground. It's stable. And my house is pretty stable. I feel like we could be here for a period of time. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Madison County Geological Survey, the Madison County National Weather Service Office, and the Madison County Emergency Management Agency. At approximately 12:10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, the tsunami that was detected from Brookhaven, it was thought to be 15.5 meters high, but instead, it's a mega tsunami. It has a height of 1,000 meters. Repeating, this is a mega tsunami. The tsunami has a height of 1,000 meters. What? The tsunami actually has a height of 1,224,000. Actually, a 100 billion. 999 quadrillion, 424 trillion, 268 billion, 964,224,958 meters. Evacuate. Evacuation is your best bet. When evacuating, all forms of public transportation or personal evacuation may be used. Civil authorities will be coming around to Civil authorities in Kittyman, along with the rest of the Everything Canadian government, will be coming in to evacuate anything and everything that has failed or cannot evacuate. We will no longer be repeating this message. This message will repeat in 5 minutes. Repeating. This message will repeat in 5 minutes. Crap. This is not good. I need a hypercar. I need my car. This is not good. Also, when evacuating, make sure to bring all the essential supplies, such as non-perishable food, water, clothing, medical supplies, a flashlight, a battery-powered radio, or a hand-crank radio with extra batteries. And make sure to bring anything else that you want to bring with you. As once you evacuate, there won't be any turning back. Also, this flood, it will be infinite. There will be no more land. Everything will be flooded. You must evacuate immediately. Repeating, you must evacuate immediately. Crap. Hopefully Red Cliff City will not be flooded. This is gonna be a long flight. Bing boom. All passengers, please be ready for takeoff. Oh geez. Oh, plane's shaking. So we're currently encountering a slight bit of turbulence. We're going to be landing in Red Cliff City. We're going to be landing in Brick City. We're going to be landing in Brick City in approximately 15 minutes. Actually, we're going to be landing in Brick City in a very long time because it takes a while for us to get there. So once we get to Everything Land, we're going to need to let Kitty Man on board to check to see if everything's okay on board. And then we'll be able to go to Brick City from there. So if you want to go to Red Cliff, just tell me, and I will let you parachute your way there. Obviously there's a parachute button, so click that, and you will automatically be given a parachute, and you can just jump out. The old emergency exit there. Ooh. Oh. Ooh. Oh, where are we? What? Oh yeah, we're in Red Cliff City. Dang it, I forgot. Okay, let's go inside here. There we go. Oh, that was a scary fall. I literally jumped from a plane. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Red Cliff City Geological Survey, the Red Cliff City National Weather Service Office, and the Red Cliff City Emergency Management Agency. At approximately 5:37 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, a mega tsunami with the height of 999,999,999,999,999,999,999,999 meters in height and width was detected approximately 10,000 miles away from Red Cliff City, moving at a speed of 1,115 miles an hour. Source: radar indicated. Impact: a tsunami. And a flood is approaching. Infinite and unlimited amount of rainfall, heavy rainfall, is coming. So get to a high place immediately. You know what? Just evacuate. Bring anything with you, because once you bring everything you want with you, because once you evacuate, you will now, there will be no turning back. So bring whatever you want. Also, Kitty Man and civil authorities, along with the rest of the everything Canadian government, will be coming to take anything and everything that did not get to evacuate or failed to do so. So evacuate now. Repeating, evacuate now. This message will repeat in 30 minutes. Repeating, this message will repeat in 30 minutes. Shit. Not in Red Cliff. Okay, come on. Why is this happening in both Red Cliff and Brookhaven? Every place I go, it seems there'd be a tsunami that's on the rise. Like that's and it's a cloudy day too. Oh yeah, I forgot about that rain. Okay, we gotta go. Alright. Like actually we have to go. So the only way I know you can evacuate is by plane. By the V-22 Osprey. So yeah, there really is no other way. I mean, let's go super duper duper ooper ooper gooper gooper quick. Hello? We got 2 VIPs in the server. Of course this thing has fixed landing gear. Why would it? Why wouldn't it? Why would it not?
Press play. Don't
Finally, it's not low pitched, but we're gonna go ahead and stop that song. Because that's copyright. That's literally copyright infringement happening. So I don't want to get copyrighted for that. So yeah, that's just copyright infringement waiting to happen. Hey, Mom! I mean, I see the tsunami in the distance. There it is. I see it. By the volcano. It is so tall. I'm not even close to taller than it. Crap. I can't. Tsunami has infinite height and length and width and length. What's that noise? So that's just a tsunami rolling in. Well, I'm dead. Oh, ew, oh,
Alright, I gotta go back to the
Okay. Okay, I gotta go. Go. You think you're so rich with that Lamborghini? Little tsunamis are coming to hit me. Oh, they just destroyed my car. An earthquake is happening. Okay. I think I'm dead. Huh? Where am I? What? Where am I in this world? What am I? I thought I was in Red Cliff City, and oh crap! This was a dream. Oh no! What if the real thing actually happens? I'm gonna go watch some tunes to see if it'll actually be the thing. Okay, good. Shit. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Madison County National Weather Service Office, the Madison County Emergency Management Agency, and the Madison County Geological Survey. No. This can't be. Another tsunami? Seriously? Okay. Alright, I already know the drill. Just evacuate. What is she doing here? I don't know, but I'm not gonna question that. Okay. All I know is that it's time to evacuate and that we need to get out of here. That's all I know we need to do. Okay, alright, get in the car. All the speed and the agility this car has. Paint it black and leave. The tsunami in the distance. I see it. But it's a lot bigger than they expected. Okay. The best bet's to go up to the mountain. Just go up here. Is the only actual high point. Oh, this is not the mountain I was talking about. Okay, yes it was. I see it. I see where the slide would be and everything. They forgot to put the summer slide in for this summer. Because normally it would be here, but I guess I don't want to do that this year. Okay, it's fine. Oh, okay. That's great. Very great. Thank you. Oh yeah, we need to get up to the mountain. It's hitting the land right now. I see it. Oh, jeez. No! I ended up on that. Okay, maybe I still have a little bit of time. Oh, yeah, it's definitely hitting the mountain around me. I see water coming down. I might want to just hide right here. Oh, yep, water's hitting the car. Okay, run to right here. Maybe then I'll be safe. Turn on the headlights. Okay, it subsided. Okay, good. The tsunami subsided this time. Okay. Well, that alert's probably not going on anymore because the tsunami subsided already, so I see a lot of helicopters approaching me. Why? What? Are those bombs? Oh yeah, those are bombs. We need to get out of here. I forgot they issued an emergency action notification for bombs earlier, so I gotta go. Oh, that's a huge nuke. That's the warhead they were talking about the last scenario. That's what they were talking about. Okay, we gotta fucking go. There's no way